how to join a team's community using a particular invite code or an invite link. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can join any team's community using a special invite code or link. So to do that, the first thing that the team or the community owner is going to do is go to communities tab. Here, click onto this invite members button right here. Once he does that, he can specify your email address like this. And once your email address has been successfully typed in, as I am doing right here, then the next thing that happens is that they can click onto this invite button. And once you'll do, you can see this message that says invite link copied. Then the next thing that you're going to do is simply send them that particular invite link. And once they click onto this or open paste the same into their web browser, it will show them this message that says open Microsoft Teams. And once they're going to do this, they will have the option to join this particular community. As currently I'm sharing it within the same system, it is redirecting me back here, but in your case, they will be able to join your community. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.